Hello everyone, Shane Cox with here with co-banker R.M.R Real Estate, bringing your Monday Market Minute. We're going to take a quick look at what happened in the real estate markets in the township of Uxbridge and the township of Scugog. This time we're looking at the week of December 7th to the 13th. So starting with Uxbridge, where we had 4 new listings come to the market. That's up from 1 we had the previous week. We also had 3 properties that were previous listed brought back to the market. There were 4 properties that had price adjustments, up slightly from the 3 the previous week, showing sellers are still making strategic moves in their pricing strategy. On the sales side, we had 1 property that was sold conditionally, that's down from 5 the previous week, and we have 5 properties that were sold firm, that's up from 4. So active inventory dropped significantly to 117 properties on the market, down from 130, which continues to tighten the market as we move closer to the year's end. So now let's take a look at Scugog. We had a quieter week in new listings, where we had 1 new listing come to the market. That's down from 5 we had the previous week. However, we also saw 5 properties that were previous listed brought back to the market. We had 6 price adjustments, which is compared to 9 we had the previous week. On the sales activity remained steady, where we had 3 properties that were sold conditionally, that's down from 5, and 4 properties were sold firm, that's just 1 fewer than the week before. So total active listing dropped again to 100 properties on the market. That's down from 107, keeping inventory tight across the township. So overall, both Uxbridge and Scugog are seeing a typical December trend. Fewer new listings, tightening inventory, but continued buyer activity, especially with firm sales. So if you're thinking about buying or selling as we head into the new year, now's a great time to start the conversation. Chris and I are always ready and happy to help. So this will be our last Monday Market Minute till the new year. We hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas and wishing everyone the best in 2026. So we'll see you in the new year. And remember, at R.M.R Cox Real Estate, we bring you home.